Shout out to Broadcast Houston DVD Magazine. We met like it was yesterday. All talk, no sex. You said you wanted to make it official. I said cool, yeah, baby, me too. So we went on with time and now we growing together. Promise to always have my back and only for the better. We only getting better even when we can't stand each other. I'm the only thing that make you better, and it's whatever. We always ride it out. You make me feel higher. Ain't no way we going south. Nope, can't do that. Comprehend what I'm saying, babe. We can't move back. Screw that. We been through that. Even when they ask you who that, we took some steps back. Now we taking steps forward. Can't look back. We gotta move forward, baby. Just relax.
Bring love to a queen and you turn it to a goddess. Pleasure makes music, so I turn it to an artist. It's not that you're the hottest, but you're the moon, meaning you illuminate the world even when it's at its darkest. I got you in my sights, but you got me in your pocket. I see you in my future, you asking am I a prophet? I'm just determined, yes I met a treasure. Every Martin needs a Gina. Better yet, Coretta, you the reason why a rapper wanna sing on his songs. How you only 5'2" and make me sink in your arms? How you make a grown man feel the height of a mile? How you brighten up a room with the light of your smile? Concrete rose, I call you my flower. Took power to bloom and now she stands like a tower. I always come back like the hour. Hand time flies, I dive into your eyes for a high. Broadcast Houston.